the devil jumped the ball and he pretended.
And then, boy, let me tell you what.
I guess you didn't know it, but I'm a fiddle player too.
And if you care to take it down, I'll make a bet with you. Now you play pretty good fiddle, boy, but give the devil his due. I've been fiddle of gold against your souls, think I'm better than you. My name's Johnny, and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet you're gonna regret, cause I'm the best there's ever been. Johnny, rocking up your bow and play your fiddle hard. Just a broke loose in your and the devil is hard.
And if you win, you get this shiny
Fiddle made of gold, but if you lose, the devil gets your soul.
with that. The devil opened up his case.
He said, I'll start the show, and fire grew from his fingertips as he rosined up his bow. And he pulled the bow across the string, and it made an evil hiss. And a band of demons joined in and started something like this.
I can't believe somebody knows it as well as I do. You've been the weaker one, mate.
You weren't filming me singing, were you?
That's what Mum and Dad listen to.
When the devil finished, Johnny said, well, you're
Pretty good, old son. But sit down in that chair right there. Let me show you how it's done. Fire on the mound, run, boys, run. The devil's in the house of the rising sun. Chicken in the bread by picking out dough.
ready to be done back, no time, no.
Filming this, isn't Is that Bowie?
The devil bowed his head
Because he knew that he'd been beat, and he laid that golden fiddle on the ground at Johnny's feet.
Johnny said, devil, just come on back if you ever want to try again. But I told you once
You son of a bitch, I'm the best I've ever been. He played fire on the mountain, run, boys, run.
Johnny, where's you?
Devil's in the house of the rising sun. The chicken in the bread by picking out dough.
ready to be done back, no time, no.
Cheers, boys.